Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of hotels.com. You will enter to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about hotels.com. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. If it's not working with you can update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.